All right, this is my basement. What I would like to do is to turn this space into a playroom. For the first part of this makeover, I have 3 goals. 1, a place for them to sit and watch TV. 2, a place for them to store their toys. And 3, a table for each of them to do arts and crafts on. The first thing I like to do with any makeover is clean and paint. For this particular project, it made more sense to paint first, so that's what I'm doing. After I painted, I went online shopping and I found a couch that I loved on Amazon. Once the couch was delivered, I was on the hunt for an area rug, and surprisingly, I found a really great rug at a really great price at Home Depot. Plus, I had a coupon. I tested positive for the coronavirus about 3 days ago. I wanted to reveal this for Aubrey's birthday, which is today. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to try to get as much done. However, I'm going to have to put my finishing touches on it later. Here's a pile of things I bought to decorate the room with, and I will get started on cleaning. Luckily, it wasn't that much to clean. I just basically had to declutter, vacuum, and mop. But y'all, that almost took me out, okay? I had COVID, and this was back in 2020 when COVID first came out. So, ooh, I was struggling, but I had to get it done for my baby girl's birthday. Now that the space is clean, I can start decorating, and the first stop is this rug. Y'all, I am obsessed with this rug, okay? My daughter's favorite color is turquoise/blue, so I just really feel like this was a good fit for the space. That and that not the perfect match. I found them, y'all. My bad. Listen. The Rona is kicking my ass. Okay, y'all, my reinforcements came through in the clutch, okay? We got the tables put together, the couch, we hung the TV, and I put up some Frozen decorations because that was the theme of her birthday. My kids love the way the playroom turned out, but this is just part 1, so if you have any suggestions on things I can do to spruce up the space, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time where Chloe gonna create something new.